President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's Special Advisor on Economic Affairs, Dr. Tope Fasua, has defended the value of Naira locally despite its weakness against the dollar, saying that $1 equivalent to over 1,500 Naira can still buy a meal in Nigeria. Fasua, who spoke on the Mike On podcast hosted by Seun Okinbaloye on Saturday, also addressed how poverty is measured globally, saying many Nigerians misunderstand what is termed multidimensional poverty. He said,
"It's worse than average." What it means is, what multidimensional means that even me or you, we could be in that.
You have an area of poverty that you experience.
You are this, maybe the school that your children may attend is too far from you, or the hospital is too far from you. That's what they're saying. If it's a certain distance, then they categorize you under multidimensional.
And I'm saying
the word looks very big. Therefore,
I'm saying
more important.
Those who are earning
poverty, food poverty,
absolutely, and those who are earning less than $1 per day, who have been categorized as those who are living
another
in
problem
abject.
with that number. Dollar per day. $1 is 1,500. Look. 1,500. Okay, that's a lot of money for many people in Nigeria. If you say, look, and that takes us to.
So you do not agree
purchasing
with
power parity. Okay, is what we should look at. So look, $10 won't buy you lunch anywhere in the US. Hardly. You need at least $20. $20 times that's 30,000.
Sometimes you might get an $7 for your child to get breakfast.
Indeed, for a child,
sandwich and a cup of coffee. $4, $5.
Is that even food? But I'll tell you what you can do with $5. $5, that's 7,500. If you're not going to eat at the Hilton or some eyebrow place, there's a lot you can do.
However, this statement did not go well with some Nigerians as they expressed their concerns regarding the economic hardship. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching Naija News TV.